Welcome to my channel. Virgin router flashing red light. Virgin Broadband distributes routers, which provide very reliable internet services. These Virgin Wi-Fi routers show different color lights that describe their status. Why Virgin router flashing red light? The reason your Virgin Wi-Fi router showing red color means the router finished the booting up process, but could not able to register on the Virgin Media Network. To make it off, you just have look at some solutions up next. Solutions. First, reboot Virgin Router Hub. You can reboot the router by plugging out its power adapter from electric wall socket. Now, wait for 5 to 10 seconds and power it up by inserting router adapter again in socket. Second, check for damaged cables. You have to check that there is no damaged cable connected to the router. First, turn off the router and check. If you find any cut or damaged cable, then replace it with a new one. Third, reset if no tip is working. If above given tips are not working, then you need to reset the router by pressing the pinhole button for 10 seconds with tip of a pen or pin. Now, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to boot it up. Now, let's see how to turn off the Virgin router solid red light with the help of simple solutions. Why Virgin router showing solid red light? The reason your Virgin router is showing solid red color light is issue with the cable connection or the hub is too hot. Let's see how you can easily solve it with the help of the simple solutions and tips given next. Solutions. First, replace damaged cables. You have to check that there is no cut or damaged Ethernet cable or power cord connected to the router. If you find any damaged cable, then replace it with a new one. Second, cool down Wi-Fi router. The red light can appear on the router because of the overheat. You can dispel the problem, turn off the router and leave the Virgin Hub router for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool down and then start it again. Third, reset if issue is not fixed. If no tip is solving the problem, then reset the router by long pressing the reset pinhole button with the help of a pen. After resetting the router, you have to adjust the settings again by accessing Virgin Wi-Fi router interface.